Hi, I'm Ken James. I founded Clearly Innovative Glass Chair Mats 14 years ago. Clearly Innovative Glass Chair Mats are the only glass mat with a fully beveled edge. We can make this claim because it's patented. Glass chair mats are a great solution for replacing ugly plastic mats in your home office. They roll great, they look great, they last forever, and they include a lifetime warranty. However, all glass chair mats are not created equal. Let me say that again. All glass chair mats are not equal. Our Clearly Innovative glass chair mats have an edge over all other glass chair mats. A smooth, transition, fully beveled edge, an exclusive advantage. Our beveled edge is the secret sauce of Clearly Innovative glass chair mats. Our edges make all the difference in performance and appearance. That's why we edge out the competition. You can pay more and not get the exclusive beveled edge, but why would you? We offer 8 different stock sizes that fit a small home office to a large corner office. Contact your office furniture and supply dealer for details.